Je dirais que les outils
I would say that STIHL battery tools are as good or better than some gasoline tools.
que certains outils thermiques. Je m'appelle Julien Ferraris, je suis le
My name is Julien Ferraris, and I am the manager of Lileo Jardins. There are 8 people working for Lileo Jardins as gardeners, landscapers, and arborists. We work mainly in the Chambéry area, in Aix-les-Bains, and throughout the Lake Valley.
Aix-les-Bains et toute la vallée du lac. C'est un travail qui est difficile dans l'absolu.
It's a difficult job, so we're constantly looking for solutions to make the work we do easier and lighter, while maintaining the same high standards of workmanship.
Un haut degré d'exigence de réalisation.
For example, the battery-powered brush cutter is lighter, so it's easier to handle. You can work more quickly and you don't get as tired. We started our conversion to battery tools in 2019. Today, 85% of our machines are battery products. It is more comfortable, the machines are smoother, they don't vibrate as much, they don't make as much noise, they don't emit gases, and they don't get as hot. My employees immediately saw these advantages and really appreciated using these machines compared to petrol machines. In fact, I'd done some calculations on the fuel consumption of gasoline tools. And according to my calculations, we should be able to make savings by switching to battery-powered equipment.
My name is Julien Locatelli. I'm a landscape gardener. The advantage of battery power over the internal combustion engine is that you don't have to bring in fuel and mix it all up. It's also easier and more practical to recharge and change batteries. On average, we use 3 to 4 batteries on the site, and a bit more if we're using more powerful machines.
We have a special room where we put the batteries and they charge overnight. In the morning, we collect the charged batteries and transport them to the site. Most of the time, our teams are made up of 2 people. We assign 3 batteries and a rapid charger to each team so that they can work all day. There's no doubt that battery power is the future and will never go back.